In 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification number 50, and error code 0 seems to have beaten CPR to the middle of the field, lining up on the blue side of the field, and a volley of shots up and away. CPR on the red side of the field, seeing if they can match error code 0. Error code 0, though, returning back to the center of the field with a second full cycle before CPR can do the same. Human players on both sides of the field getting plenty of shots up and in. We end autonomous 42-21 in favor of the Blue Alliance. That means the Red Alliance will get the first crack at shooting some fuel into the hub. Some shots go up from the Cyborg Seagulls over on that red side of the field. And the Generals, huge impact with error code 0, but error code 0 has built a fairly robust hopper, and they seem unfazed. Error code 0 still tangling with the Generals machine. In the middle of the field, looks like CPR has stopped moving at the moment. We'll see if they can get themselves recalibrated and moving in a second here. Looks like in the middle of the field, big tangle between Generals and Nerd Herd alongside Lion's Bite, and there seems to be a belly pan piece that has come off of the Generals robot and fallen onto the floor on the blue side of the field. Generals, though, moving over towards error code 0. And it looks like error code 0 may have actually sustained some injury from that impact with the Generals, as a piece of their intake seems to be flopping forward. Error code seems somewhat unfazed, though, and they move back towards the middle of the field to try to play Hungry Hungry Hippos with all of the fuel. On the red side of the field, Lion's Bite currently stationary in front of the red hub, while Cyborg Seagulls line up and their flywheels spin as they try to score some fuel here. 67-29 in favor of the Blue Alliance at the moment. Lots of aggressive defense being played. CPR gets moving again, and they are in the middle of the field. And unfortunately, it looks like for Lion's Bite, a battery cable hanging out of that robot. That spells the end of that match for that team. Blue side of the field, lots of shots going up and in from Error Code and Nerd Herd. Meanwhile, Generals still playing their defense that we've been seeing them play all competition. And it is now the end game period. Will the Blue Alliance be able to break that energized ranking point, or will the defense slow them down too much? Error Code has something to say about that. They're trying to score as much as they possibly can. 95 fuel having been scored for that Blue Alliance in just a couple seconds here. Will they be able to get those last shots up? Yes, they do, and they now reach that energized ranking point. Generals over on the red side of the field, climber up. Will they be able to get a last-second climb up here? No, not quite. And our preliminary score is 117-61 in favor of that Blue Alliance from our head referee, and our scorers. It's the Blue Alliance that takes this victory. 118-63, your final score. 4 ranking points being taken home by the Blue Alliance, and Error Code